Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm filming sort of in the mirror because I find that this is the better angle. So today I'm going to be showing you how I pack my bag to go to Turkey, so I hope you really enjoy it. And I'm also going to be vlogging when I go there, so I'm going to definitely upload some videos, so watch out my channel for that as well. And let's get on into the video. Right, so as you saw just there, I packed most of my things. So here I've also got some wet wipes, got some like medicine and some pads in case my period starts, even though it shouldn't. And I've got my shoes and everything here. It's getting quite full, to be honest, but I think I'll be fine because I've also got my boyfriend's suitcase, so if I need to, I can put some things in his. Here I've also got some toiletries. So in this bag I've got lots of things. Wait, let me just focus that properly for you. So here I've got some shower gel, some sun cream. On the other side I've got some different sun cream. Here is my face micellar water, some micellar cleansing gel, toothpaste, my shampoo and my conditioner. And then in this bag I've got a sponge, some, what are they called, makeup removing pads, and I have actually clipped my little hair clips on here as well because I am not bringing too many because I usually wear my hair down just normally, but I thought if I want to accessorize one of those days that would be good. And then I've got another bag here which has got some deodorant, which is the only one I could find that was like under 100 ml. Then let me just zoom this in. I've got my favorite perfume, which is the Carolina Herrera Good Girl, I believe it's called, or Good to Be Bad or something like that, but it's 30 ml, so obviously I can bring that. And then in here I've got some hair oil, like, you know, like for your split ends and stuff, so I've got little sample sizes, so I've got 3 of those. And then I've got some sheet masks for face, like face masks, and then I've also got some other ones as well. So that's everything in this bag. And then over here at my desk I have got a couple of other things. Obviously this is not meant to go, it's just kind of there. So I've got my medication here that I need to take to kind of delay my period, which is really a godsend. I've got my Garnier moisturizer, which I love, and then some deodorant, sort of roll-on one. I've got my Tangle teaser brush and my little clip to dry my hair, and then here I've got some makeup that I'm bringing with me. So I've got all my brushes in this bag. I don't have too many. And then this is all the makeup I'm bringing. So I'm bringing some stuff like my Hoola bronzer, Collection concealer, Ofra highlighter, some powder, Fenty foundation, which was a hard choice to know like what to bring because obviously it's going to be really hot, so I wasn't sure. And I've also got a little Tarte eyeshadow palette in there too, to kind of, if I want to, like, you know, wear some eyeshadow. And I've also got my Tarte's lipstick in there, which is like a matte lipstick. It's one of my favorite colors. I've also just got my nails done today, so I really like them. It's not really focusing though, so It's kind of like, oh my goodness, it's impossible to focus. Anyways, doesn't matter. Maybe I'll show you later. And I've also got my Tarte mascara there. So these are all the things that I still need to sort of pack, because I don't know if I'm going to be wearing makeup to the airport. I haven't really decided, and I still don't know what outfit I'm wearing to the airport. I kind of know, but not exactly. And I'm also going to be bringing my iPad with me so that I can put some movies on there and stuff. So that's going to go with me as well. So I'm charging it now. And oh, so now I can show you what's in my bag. So this is the bag that I'm going to be taking with me. Obviously I'm going to take the suitcase as well, but this is just going to be helpful for like other things. If I do need to put it in my suitcase, that'll be fine. But in here I've just got, in the first little bag, well, bag area, I don't know, I've got 2 pairs of sunglasses. I'm not going to show you them, they're just kind of simple Primark ones. Then I've got a card holder, which is a really cute one, just in case like I want to, I don't know, not take my purse with me. I've got some headphones, and I've also got my Rescue Remedy spray because I am quite scared of flying, so I've heard this is going to help. So I'm going to try it out and I'm going to see how it is, because I don't really know. It still keeps like sort of not focusing. And I think, oh, I've also got a Nivea lip balm in there too. It's really not wanting to focus. I'm using like a DSLR camera, so that's probably why. So I'm just going to put everything back in there. So let's do that. And then in this little side compartment, I've just got some strawberry Tic Tacs. Oh my god, why is this not focusing? There you go, that's much better. Oh my god. So yeah, strawberry Tic Tacs, and I can probably show you my nails now. Yeah, so this is what my nails look like. I really love them. I don't usually get them done so colorful, but this time, because I'm obviously going on holiday, I thought I'll change it up. So in here, I've also got an adapter, a charging cable, and 2 power banks, because I'm going to be filming on my phone, so that will be useful. I've got my purse in there, which I'm going to be obviously using for everything, and I've got all the documents in here, like the passport, tickets, and stuff like that. And in the last compartment, I've just got the Turkish money. So, oh yeah, I don't know if I mentioned, but we're going to Turkey. So that's it really. That's everything. I'll obviously need to like sort of finish packing my makeup and stuff, but that's it really. So thank you for watching. I can show you what a mess I am right now, like totally a mess, and my room's a mess too, but maybe I don't need this right now. But yeah, so that's it guys. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and I hope the flight goes well. So, bye everyone.